Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you the for loop, how to print an array by using the for loop. The for loop is also used to print the array. So let's start. First of all, here I'm going to create an array. Here is test, here is this, and here is 4, 60, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 6. So now there are 5 values in this array. I'm going to print this array by using the for loop. And now what its benefit? When we use the for loop, so we can print an array by accessing every index of the array. We cannot going to print this whole array in 1 second. First of all, we will access this, then this index, so in this way. And here is first of all for loop, and here is variable I is equal to 0. And now here we have to apply the condition. Here you see that we want to print the whole array, and array have the 5 values, and first value have the 0 index and the last value have the 4th index. So now the condition is true until the total length of the array, that is 5. So how to get the length of the array? We just simply use to dot length. Here is dot length. It will return the length of the array, and we are able to save it in the any variable. Here is length. So now this condition is true until I less than length of the array, that is 5. So at the first I is equal to 0 and length is 5, 0 less than 5, it will print 4, then 1 less than 5, then 2 less than 5, 3, 4. When I is equal to 5 and 5 is not less than 5, so the condition is become false. Here is this, and here what we are going to do at the first, here is I'm going to print it inside the div. Here is div dot append. Here is this, and first of all I'm going to print I. Here we have to write the index I, because at the first time when we are going to print the array, so I is equal to 0 and 0 less than 5, and then here what is I value is 0, so it will print 4 value, first value. Then I is incremented, its value is become 1, 1 less than 5, then I is equal to 1 here, and then it will print the value of the first index, that is 60. Then its value is become 2, I is become 2, and 2 is less than 5, then it will print 5. Then I is equal to 3, 3 less than 5, so I is equal to 3, it will print the third index value, that is here, and then its value is 4 and it will print 6 value. Then its value is become 5, but when the value is become 5, 5 is not less than 5. Length of this array is 5, so 5 is not less than 5, so the loop is ended, and this append will simply append the value at the last. And here you can see that 460 and all the values are here, but here I'm going to do another thing, that is plus, and I'm going to add a new line. So when first the value is printed, then a new line is added. So here you see that 465, 78, 6. So in this way, this is the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth value. And here you see that commas are not printed because we are accessing every single value, and this is the HTML that is adding the new line after every value. When this 4 is printed, so after it's a new line is added. So whenever we put the next value, so it will be put in the next line. And Now I hope you understand how to print the array by using the loop, and in the next lecture I'm going to teach you another loop, that is for in loop, and it is also used to print the object values. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.